You can earn $7 every minute on complete autopilot with this secret online passive income business. Payments can go straight to your PayPal, Pioneer account, or even directly into your bank account. So if PayPal isn't an option in your country, no worries, you can still withdraw to your local bank. Make sure to like this video and let's kick things off by heading over to Pixabay.com. Pixabay is a fantastic resource for finding royalty-free images and stock footages. They've got over 5 million high-quality images, videos and musics available for free. No need to worry about setting these pictures here. We'll be using these images to set up our passive income system that will help you make money on autopilot, earning that $7 every minute. Once you're on Pixabay.com, just click on join to create your free account. First, go ahead and type dog into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a bunch of adorable dog pictures. People really love dogs, so we need clear images where the dog is either standing or sitting. Make sure there's just one dog in each image since that's what we need for our passive income setup. For now, if you find a dog image you like, click on it and open it, and then hit the download button on the right side. Choose the largest size available and click download to save it to a device. After that, pick another dog image and download it too. I wanted to collect at least 5 to 10 images of dogs, cats, birds and any other pets you can think of. You can also check out sites like Pexels, Unsplash for high quality pet images. They are all free to use, so you can grab their images without any cost. We are downloading various pet images from sites like Pixabay, Unsplash or Pexels because I want to show you this online shop that specializes in custom pet products. They offer everything from custom pet phone cases, t-shirts, pillows, mugs, blankets, portraits, all featuring customers' pet photos. The cool part is that the shop owner doesn't have to spend time creating images or designing products since the customers provide their own pet pictures. They simply use a print-on-demand service like Printify to handle printing and shipping. Plus, the shop owner doesn't have to pay anything upfront. Printify take its cuts from each sale, covering their printing and shipping costs. It's a great deal for both the shop owner and the Printify. People are raking over $3,000 a day selling products they don't even have to create or ship themselves. This is all thanks to the print-on-demand business model. It's basically a simple dropshipping setup for items like mugs, phone cases and t-shirts where you use images or designs to make products. You team up with a supplier like Printify, which offers white label products such as phone cases, t-shirts, pillows and mugs that can be customized. Printify connects directly with platforms like Etsy, Shopify, eBay and Amazon, making everything super straightforward. In this case of custom printables, customers send you a photo of their pet and all you need to do is upload that image to the product they want. Printify handles all the printing and shipping. So the design you upload gets printed on the item and sent straight to your customer without you lifting a finger. Moving on to the step number 2 is head over to Printify. I'll drop a link to the Printify in the video description. Printify is a print-on-demand platform where you can find a variety of white label products like phone cases, t-shirts, pillows, mugs and more that you can customize. Just choose a product, upload your design whether it's an image, text or drawing and you're good to go. Then you can list your items on various e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Amazon, eBay, Redbubble or even on Printify shop called Printify Pop-up. When someone makes a purchase from these sites, Printify will handle the order fulfillment automatically and you will earn your profit from the sale. Check out this Etsy shop. They have sold over more than 180,000 items so far. They specialize in custom pet phone cases, pillows, mugs and a bunch of other personalized products featuring pet photos. Their prices range from $9 to $30, but if we average it out about $10 per item, that means they have earned over $1.8 million from this shop alone. And if Etsy isn't an option for you, no worries, you can also try other e-commerce platforms like Redbubble, which is available in many countries and welcomes sellers from places like India. Amazon and eBay are also solid choices for selling your custom creations. This is one of the simplest ways to earn passive income online online and you can start without spending a dollar. I am bringing this up again in our channel because it's one of the best ways to make money online in 2024 and 2025. You can totally use this method to cash in on Christmas this year by making festive items like socks and hats, then selling them in your shop through Printify. Moving on to the step number 3, go ahead and sign up for Printify by clicking on the first link in the video description. And once you log into your Printify account, your dashboard will look like this. The first thing you should do is click on My New Store and choose Add a New Store option. This will take you to a page where you can link your Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, eBay, Walmart, Printify pop-up store and more to your Printify account. After connecting your store, click on the catalog option on the left and start selecting different items one by one. As you can see, this shop offers phone cases, pillows, mugs, t-shirts and lot more. We'll design these items on Printify for our shop starting with the phone cases. Just pick it from there and I'll take you to a page where you can check out various type of phone case designs for both iOS and Android devices. If it's your first time making these phone case designs, I recommend starting with one of the top 3 cases on the page since they are the best sellers. Let's say we choose this one. On the next page, you will see some really cool mockups for your phone case design. Just scroll down a bit and hit the Start Designing Products button, and that will lead you to a page where you can kick off your first design. To do this, we need to upload a dog image to Printify, which we got from Pixabay. You can also check out sites like Unsplash or Pexels for dog and other pet images. Just click on the upload option, select My Design and upload the dog image from your computer or laptop that you want to use on this item. The image will then be applied to your product. We just need to tweak and adjust this a little bit to make it look great on our mockup. First off, we notice that this image has a background. If we check out the shop items, we see that their pet photos don't have any backgrounds. So we need to get rid of the background from our dog image. The cool part is that Printify has all the editing tools we need to enhance our designs and make them more appealing to customers. To remove the background, we just click on the background remover icon at the top and a pop-up will appear. And from there, we can either manually erase the background using the eraser tool or hit the quick remove button. In just few seconds, Printify will perfectly eliminate the background from our image. After that, we just click apply button and our background free image will be ready for our item. We just need to adjust our image a bit, center it nicely and stretch down the image to the outer black line at the bottom. Otherwise, it might look a bit off. After you've got the image set up, let's add some text to the mockup. Just hit the Add Text option in the left and pick a font you like. I'm going with this one, but feel free to choose any that catches your eyes. Once you go to your font, position the text above the dog image. Now type in your dog's name. Let's say we're going with Rexy. And there you have it. Our first item is all set. Printify has lots of tools for designing your item, including this cool AI image generator. Just hit that button and a pop-up will appear where you can create AI images using a simple text prompt. First, pick the style for your image from the options available. I'm going with photographic style since we want realistic look for our item. Next, I'll type a straightforward prompt for our dog image like a dog on a white background or something like that. Remember, the more detail you add to your prompt, the better the image will turn out. Now I click the generate image button and in just few seconds, our image will be ready. As you can see, the Printify AI image generator has created a good dog image that we can use for our phone case mockup. There are plenty of Printify tools like this that you can use to enhance your images and make them even better. Once you finish editing your image, just hit the preview button and you will land on a page where you can check out different views of your phone case. You'll see that our design looks pretty awesome. If there's anything you want to adjust, just click on the edit button and keep adjusting until it's just right for you. If you're happy with it, go ahead and click on Save Product to store your design in your Printify account, which you can file under My Products. This way, you can create various product catalogs on Printify for your online store and link your Etsy shop or any other online shop to Printify. This lets you easily add your design from Printify to your online shop and seamlessly integrate both platforms. Whenever someone places an order in your shop, it goes directly to Printify. They'll take care of printing the product and shipping it right to the customer's door. Printify covers all the printing and shipping costs and you will receive your profit after they deduct those expenses from your sale. It's a fantastic platform for designing and selling custom products. You don't need to spend any money to create your design or manage the process. Just grab some pet images from free sites like Unsplash, Pixabay or Pexels, upload your design to Printify, link your Printify shop to Etsy, and set your prices around $7, $10 or even $20, whatever works best for you and your customers. And just like that, you could start making money like those successful shops, potentially earning around $7 every minute in just few months. Once again, I will leave a link to Printify in the description down below for this video. You can register yourself from there and start making money from today itself. So if you want to learn more about these kind of cool money making methods, and if you think this video is helpful, please hit that subscribe button. Let's meet with another video. Have a great day.